I'm going to mix all these ingredients together. You take that bowl of egg whites and whisk them to stiff peaks.
Stiff peaks? What does that mean, Chef?
It means you have to keep whisking until the egg white stands up on its own.
Ugh, this is hard work.
That's enough. The egg whites look ready to add to the mixture.
I hope so. My arm is starting to ache.
Fold the egg whites into the mixture. Gently.
Are they ready to go in the oven now?
Yes, we just need to find a baking tray. Have a look in that drawer next to the oven.
Yes, there are lots in here.
Good. I'll pour the mixture into the ramekins.
How long will it take for the soufflés to rise?
It should take between 10 and 12 minutes. Listen, I have lots of other desserts to make, so I'll leave you in charge of the soufflés.
Thanks, Chef. I'll take care of it.
Remember to dust them with the icing sugar before they go out.